Hello, my dear apprentices. In this video, the objective is for you to learn how to divide a decimal by a whole number using a place value chart. And if you already know this skill, then this is just a refreshment video. Let's look at the instructions. Draw a place value discs on the place value chart to solve. Show each step using the standard algorithm. How many groups of threes can we make out of four? Well, let's just write it down. So one group will be three of them, right? And that will be three. And then this is a remainder. Okay, let's show you the division. How many groups of threes can you make out of four? And the answer is one. So one times three equals three. The difference between those two numbers is one. And this is how we regroup in division. Here is a number, so we're going to regroup that one with the number 2. Okay, notice what I'm doing right here. We're going to lower the 2 next to the 1, so that's how we regroup them. And remember to always upload the decimal point right above the decimal point. That's step 1. So now we're going to regroup these 10 tens. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, right? But however, we had 2 tens already, so we're going to add those 2 tens over here. So now we have 12 tens because we regroup the 1 into tenths. So now we're going to make groups of threes. So this will be 1, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to do it right here. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to do one more. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to group them on the second group. Now we're going to create one more group. 1, 2, 3. And that will be 1, 2, 3. So now we've created 3 groups. And let's see, 1, 2, 3. In this case, we have 4 groups of threes of 3/10. So now watch what happens on the actual algorithm. It has to match this answer. So we have 4 groups. Okay. So now we say how many groups of 3 can be made out of 12, and the answer is 4. And you place the quotient answer right above the 2. Multiply the 4 times 3, and the product must be written right below the existing 12. And when you see these two numbers, 12 minus 12 equals 0. Now our next step, we're going to regroup the 3. And that's the one we're going to divide now. And let's look at it over here. So now we have 3. Here's the next number, 300s. Okay, 1, 2, 300s. How many groups of threes can we make? The answer is only one group, as you can see. So we're going to write the 1 here, multiply the 1 times the 3, and the 3 minus 3 yields a difference of 0. And now that we completed that one, notice that we're not carrying anything over, so we're going to lower the 6, the last number. In this case, is the thousands. Now let's look at the thousands in their actual division here. See where I'm pointing at? Okay, that is 6. So there should be 6,000s. So it's 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and 6,000. So now we're going to make groups of 3. So this is one group, and I'm going to group it right here. And remember, these drawings must match, and this is the other group, 3, must match the answers in the algorithm. Okay, as you can see, from the 6,000s, we made 2 groups of 3s. Well, let's see if that is true. We're going to write the 6. How many groups of 3s can be made out of 6? And the answer is 2, just like we did it with the place value chart. We multiply now 2 times 3 equals 6. And you place the 6 below the 6 and you write the difference, which is 0. And my friends, this is how you use this place value chart to solve a division, a decimal divided by a whole number, using also the standard algorithm. Please watch this video again if something is not clear. This is your coach, Mr. Magno, signing out.